SlyMedia TV, building bridges.
Of the country, and we want to have all these analyses, all these reports totally on board to ensure that the overview we will have of the whole electoral process and the whole electoral cycle would be a complete one, not accessible for the observers and all the country in all the range, with no vacuums that are not the best. We take into account also Zimbabwe is a very big country in terms of surface and population, and we have 150 observers that is already putting us as the biggest mission deployed on the ground for these elections. Alright, well, thank you for your questions. We will be going in now. We will take some time to get all of you the opportunity to take some photographs, to get some footage. So, we will be just starting first one.
It's very important to ensure that we will monitor, that we will observe all the integrity of the whole process. This is in my observation mission. I have long-term observers, short-term observers, and also some staff of the EU member state embassies together with Norway, Switzerland and Canada that also joined us in this common effort. And all the team is really following a very strict code of conduct that ensure impartiality of our commitment and our action here for this electoral observation mission. Is it a bit too early to give a general evaluation of the process? What can I tell you is that from the reports we got so far of our observers spread all across the country, apparently around 30% of the polling stations were open with a significant delay, and some of them even 1.5 hours, even more, due to the lack of essential materials, notably in many cases the paper ballot themselves. We will continue to follow all the operation very closely, and we will have additional information to share at a later stage. And we know this Friday we will also have a press conference in which we will announce our preliminary statement with all the findings we have got and collect so far from our people on the ground, and in which of course we will also take into account some preliminary remarks on the legal framework, on the campaign and electoral environment, and in all relevant data.
Sly Media TV, building bridges.